it's me. I know, so that's because I'm gonna be using slime. Some of you that know me, I know it was play to turn it into slime. It's easy to turn this into slime. All I have to do is put dough. So here is this. It's like so fun to play with. If you know me, comment down below. Trying to take it out. Look at the bottom. Sorry that you can't see. Show you guys. Putting it in the cup. It's like purple, not the same as the other one. Put it in the cup. It's getting a little fluffy. This one has hairs, which I don't know whose they are. Oh, they're my cousins. My mom's. This one's more like a grayish. Whoop!
So, you got the...
Pause it. I'm gonna put it all. So I'm gonna pause the video right now to get all of these in. So guys, whoop! What? Where's my? So guys, it's 3 a.m. That was creepy. In a minute, when I was like putting them all in, the lights went off. Then I unpaused the video and I showed you guys, and yeah. As I told you, I think I did, that my family every single day wakes up at 3 a.m. Comment down below if you think that's not true. I'll tell you the truth. You're gonna see the truth. Te vas a venir picando. Just talking to my little son. I make the camera to look big. That's why I look big. Yeah. Oh my goodness. My little sister. Whoa! Sorry. The lights just went off. Oh my god. My slime. You guys. Ew, I just don't want to touch it. But I have to.
¿Qué pasa, mamá?
Mm.
Ay, eso me pregunto yo, mi amor. ¿Está bien? Sí.
You guys, this was so creepy. That was so creepy. I'm gonna put it back on the bowl. So guys, hope the lights don't get off. Whoa! Just got off. Whoa! Whoa! So you guys, let's keep playing with my Play-Doh. Oh my god, you guys, we need to find it. So, here's my other Play-Doh. But I don't know where's my other one. Does my little sister have it?
Déjala.
She doesn't have it. Oh my god, you guys. That is so creepy. The lights went again. OMG. I'm just so creepy. Every time that I do this, the lights actually, in real life, you think it's not real life, but it is, go off. You might think it's not, but it is. You don't know. It's my family. So you guys, this is so weird. I'm pausing this video right now because it's getting close there. Hope you gave it a thumbs up, so subscribe. Bye everybody. Love you. Ah!